Okay, I'm headed to go get the tractor. It's kind of a gloomy morning. Kind of gloomy. Yeah, here's where the magic happens down this road. It has been raining like crazy. The mud on this property is insane. The truck that Brady gave me is a really great truck. I don't know what kind of truck it is. Is it a Tacoma? Toyota Tacoma? No, it's a Chevy. Maybe a little Chevy Silverado. I have no idea what kind of truck it is. It's a two-wheeler truck. It's not a four-wheel truck. And I've got to deal with insane amounts of mud.
Monster mud. 6 inches deep, pure, unadulterated Alabama red clay.
I've been stuck twice since I've been here already. And Brady's had to tow me out of these areas a few times. I'm getting better. I'm learning how to mud bog, or whatever you call it. The biggest problem is right at the beginning of the property where you enter it. It's just like 3-4 inches of mud, and it's red clay, and it's bad. I'll show you my trick. I'm gonna put this baby. Let's see if we can make it. This is mud, folks. Let's see how I do. Last time I came through here, I got stuck. Let's hope I don't slide. Keep it steady, keep it straight, keep it consistent, keep it consistent. Yes, I made it through the mud. All right. Whoa. This road is really bad. Look at that. All right, so I'm out on the property now. Boom. Look at that. That's how muddy it gets out here. But I made it through. That's right. Down there, it's gonna rain tonight like crazy. It's supposed to storm and stuff, but that's what I came through. All right. I'll walk over this way to the tractor. I'm gonna try to get this thing started. It's the first time doing it by myself, so we'll see how that goes. This tractor is a Ford 4000, and it was built between 1962 and 1975. So it's a pretty old tractor. This is a pretty basic piece of equipment. It's pretty awesome. Look how big that wheel is. It's an 8-speed, 3-cylinder diesel. It has a 57 horsepower engine with a 52.65 horsepower PTO. This is how Brady showed me to fix this. That's how you do it out here. Yeah, now it's nice and dry, right? No, not a chance. I've never started a tractor before, at least not by myself. Okay. But that ends today. Got my brakes. This is my clutch. Key. This thing shuts it off. I think this is for the lights, but they're not working. This is an old tractor, but it's actually really strong. All right, let's see if I can do this. I think this is gonna fall off, but we'll see. I've never done this before. Okay, I think turn it to the right to heat up the glow plugs. Brady says give it a little halfway throttle. Oh, it had to be in neutral. It had to be in neutral. I didn't know that. PTO is the thing on the back that spins and allows the tractor to run things like the bush hog and stuff like that.
Oh, look, back there you can see it spinning.
The original price for this tractor was $3,500.
Pull that out.
This has been a really great little tractor and it's been a huge help.
Got the thing turned off, but it's still spinning. Get this thing in first gear and then reverse. See, if I follow this thing right here, there's reverse. Yeah! All right. I'm gonna put it in first gear. Go, baby. Woo!
All right, I made it back. I wish I could have shown it to you, but man, a little too dangerous to drive this thing and video at the same time. The reason I brought the tractor back was to swap out the spreader I used to spread the fertilizer with for the bush hog. And this is the famous Brady Lucas giving me some gas. Filling up the diesel. And that's his cousin Ryan Gaines helping out. For the rest of the morning, I'm heading back to the farm to bush hog the weeds between the trees. Big shout out to Signature Tracks and signaturetracks.com for their awesome music and to BORIS SAPPHIRE for their industry-leading visual effects. Thanks for watching LA Editor Alabama King. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join us on the next one.